Hey guys, welcome to New Tech Hub. Today we're going to unbox Fitbit Inspire. There is two different models of Fitbits. There is a one with a heart rate that is 69.99. It come in black and red, light red, and the second one is come with the heart rates. That's you paying additions, which is £39.99, and it is on black and lilac. It is very light. Uh, 5 days of battery life. 5 days of battery life. Different it's come with a different bands, and it's a water resistant up to 50 meters. It's a touchscreen display and connected to GPS, automatic sleep tracker, and it's giving you around 50 different type of exercises you can track. uh, Give you a smart notification, automated tracker where you can actually monitor all of your health and fitness goals. Also, you can set up goals where if you do sit around your house for a while, that the Fitbit does alert you to uh, move. So in a way, you will be more active with the Fitbit. And the heart rate is quite accurate, so it will uh, alert you if any abnormal heart rate beats. And let's open the box and we'll see what we have in the box. So as you see, it is come with a small and a large band inside. If it's on the box, and there is a Fitbit, is come with a small band attached to it, and you have a normal app information where you can download the Fitbit app and to connect to your Fitbits. And there is a charging wire and a band. The band is a medium band, and the charging wire is very different from your Charge 2 and the Ultra HR. That is your manual. That's your band, and the Fitbit is quite light, and the bands feel very smooth. So you don't be wearing for long hours. You don't feel that weird, uh, tough bands in your arms, and it's very discreet. So you can wear it with any kind of clothes, smart, casual, fitness. So you don't feel like you have a watch around you. Is rather than just a wristband, but is able to give you all the fitness and your health informations to keep you healthy, at the same time alert you if any unusual trap. Now let's turn it on. uh, it will take a few seconds to turn it on. Yeah, it is on. And now you have to download the Fitbit app to connect to the Fitbit. Now you have to choose what Fitbit you are connecting to, and that is Fitbit Ultra HR. So you can select which one you have, and it will ask you to sign up. if this is the first Fitbit you own. So you can see how the charge works. It's asking you to give permission to access location, so you can track. So now it's scanning the device uh, to find to send a code. So now we should be receiving a code in that. That is the code. That is 1473. Now they should be paired together. That will take to 5 to 10 minutes. Depends on your internet connection. It is connected to your mobile phones, and now it's asking you to update applications, because when they first you're connecting to it, you have to do the latest updates, so your feed will be to up to date. So now it's still updating few things. Then wait, now your Fitbit is set. It is ready to use. uh, Again, I have used the old Fitbit, but it is very light, and I don't feel that I have a Fitbit or watch